Hi everyone and welcome back to Total Coins. So today's video is going to be a world coin hunt. Just thought I would sort of jump in just before the video started and just say that I'm going to change up how the video's done just a little bit. So when we done the CoinTuber Pass the Parcel from Laughter, what I actually did was I only put up annotations for coins that I didn't know what they were. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try that for a little while on the World Coin Hunt videos. Reason for this is the World Coin Hunt videos are normally the ones that take me the longest. There's been sort of quite a few that I've done that have taken me sort of 2 evenings after work. So probably a good 8 hours to sort of get edited, because obviously I have to sort of sort out the coins, sort out what I've got, what I haven't got, then find the annotations, make the new annotations, add the new annotations in, and then edit the video and upload it. So what I'm going to do is I am just going to sort of, for the next couple at least, we'll see how it goes, is that any that I don't know sort of what they are, just by sort of within the hunt, I am going to pop up annotations for, but everything that I can actually tell you what it is, we won't put up annotations. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But let's crack over, get the hunt underway. So I will see you in a minute. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this video. Hi everyone and welcome back to Total Coins. Hi everyone and welcome back to Total Coins. So in today's video we are going to be doing another World Coin Hunt. And join me in saying hello and welcome back to the World Coin Tub. It feels like absolutely ages since we've had the tub out. And I was actually thinking about it. Last video that we'd done a World Coin Hunt using the tub was 6 weeks ago. Absolutely mental. So I am really looking forward to getting back into the tub. We have had some absolutely amazing videos over the last 5 weeks though. Massive thank you to sort of everyone that sort of sent in coins. Obviously we had 3 weeks of the Laughter CoinTuber Pass the Parcel, and then the last 2 videos have been on Karen Clean's US coins that she sent over. So yeah, it has been a very, very busy couple of weeks, but we are now back to the World Coin Tub. So let's get cracking and see what we can find. But before we get started, just wanted to say, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and ring the bell icon to get up to date when I upload new videos. So let's get started. Also, there's not going to be an album review this month. Just because I have got literally coins everywhere at the moment. I haven't been able to sort out any of the albums yet, so I will be, but what I'm going to do is both for the World Coin Hunts and the pre-decimals this month, I'm going to leave the album reviews and we'll do them next month, and I will make sure that everything is up to date before the end of the month. But let's get cracking, and the first coin out today is going to be a 1958. So let me just see if I can get the date, because there's a bit of corrosion just across the top of it. There you go, 1958 Irish 1 Pigeon. So as normal, the Irish coins don't tend to get them in very good condition. But still, nice one to find, nice one to get us started. And then we've got a US 1 cent. So it is the Lincoln Memorial. And the date on it is, if we can see, there you go, 1975. There's no mint mark on it, so that would be the Philadelphia Mint. At the moment I haven't got a clue. I will probably say that we have got that one already, because of obviously with the ones that Karen sent in, we pretty much got most of our US 1 cent album finished off. which was good. Just a couple of dates missing. We've got a 1974 5 francs, and that is French. Next up is, so it's a 2007 1 lira from Turkey. So I'm not too sure what's going on with that. I think it is biometallic, it's just the way that it's yeah, I don't know what's going on with that one. But also, let me know in the comments down below. So, this video, I've gone back to sort of the old format where I'll go through sort of go through the coins and then put an annotation up for sort of each coin. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to start doing the world coin hunt the same way that I was doing it with the coin tuber pass the parcel. So, literally sort of sticking the annotations up for the coins that we don't know. Sort of, I can't identify in the actual hunt. So let me know, because obviously if we do it that way, we can get through a lot more coins in the hunt. And next up, we've got, is actually a pre-decimal. So it's a sixpence from 1949. That's a shame. Looking really promising on that side. So it's George V. Right, it is a shame. Looking really good on that side, but the obverse is a bit rusty. And next up, we've got, is this going to be Belgium? Yep. So it is 20 francs. From Belgium, and that is the Dutch spelling of Belgium, and the date is just down the bottom there. I can't quite see it. It is 1981. So let's see if I can get it. There you go. Should be able to see it there. Next up is an Italian, 100 lira from 1976, and as per normal, the Italian coins are always in impeccable condition. Very, very few that I've seen that are not. Next we've got a 5 pesetas from Spain. So we've got a series date of 1975, and the mintage year is in the star just there. So let's have a quick look. It is 1976. Very nice. Next up, we've got another French. This time it is 2 francs from 1980. We've then got Brazil. And it is 25 centavos from 2013. Very nice, really nice looking coin those. got another French. There's another 2 pesetas, this time from 1979. And another French, this time from 1978. It's a 1 franc. Next is a 20 drachma. And this will be from Greece, 1970. Sorry, not drachma, drachmae. So, up until a certain date, I can't remember off the top of my head, I think it was sometime in the 80s, it changed from drachmae to drachma. Yeah, really, really nice coin, that one. Next we've got another 5 pesetas. This time it is from the 1982 World Cup Series. And I was wondering if we're going to be able to see the date that's in the star. Don't think we are. There we go, 1981. So it was minted in 1981, but it is part of the 1980 series. Next up, we've got another 20 drachma. Sorry, this time we've got 20 drachma. We'll just add the 20 drachmae. So you see there, it's 1986. So it was probably the early part of the 80s where they changed it. So that's Greece again. I'll get this one right in a minute. Then we've got a 1966. So it's 5 something. Is that Greek? That might actually be 5 drachmae from Greece. That's what I'm going to say. The rotation's different from the others. I'm not too sure on that one. I will revert it to the annotations. Next up, we've got another US 1 cent. This time it is another 1975. We've got a New Zealand 1967 Elizabeth II. There you go, it is 50 cent. That is the Endeavour. Absolutely stunning coin that is. So much detail on it. Really, really nice coin that. Then we've got a Hong Kong 5 cent from 1979. There you go, Elizabeth II on it. We've we've got an Irish 2p. There you go, from 1971. And that overall is in really good condition. Probably one of the better ones that I've found actually. And next we have a 1987 $1. Is this Mexico? Yep, there we go. Very nice. Then we've got a 50 lira from 1979, and that will be Italy. Next up, we've got a 1 Gordon from 1997, and this will be Netherlands. There we go. Very nice. Don't think I've got too many of them actually, not in newer design. Next up, we've got a 1 Corona, and is this Norway? Sweden. Oh, there we go, dropping it everywhere. So it's Sweden, and it is 2012. Very nice. Next up, we've got another Irish, this time 1963. So this is going to be another Pigeon. Yep, it is. So not in the best of conditions, which is a real shame. I'd really like to sort of get a collection of sort of good Irish coins together. Next up, we've got a token, no cash value, and Freedom. I think we've seen one of these before. It's a very similar design. And next we've got, is this South Africa? No, Trinidad and Tobago, 5 cent from 1966. Very nice. And then we've got 10 lira, so this will be Italian, and it is from, the date's just down the bottom there, I think, yeah. Let me have a look. It's got a bit worn down actually. 1956. So you're probably not going to be able to see it. It is right down the bottom there. There we go. 1956. Obviously it is an aluminium coin, so it's quite light, and they do feel like sort of play money. So what we'll do is we'll do a couple more, just so that the video doesn't run on for too long. Next up, we've got another US 1 cent. This time it is 1986. And it's another Lincoln Memorial. Then we've got, so it's 1971, Ireland. That's tiny. Is it a halfpenny? Yes, it is halfpenny. Not seen too many of them. Very nice. We've then got another French. It is 20 centimes from 1981. And what we'll do is we'll do one more, just so that we're not going on for too long. And there you go. It is 10 groschen from 19. Let's try to see if we can see the date. Go 1959, is that? Yes, 1959. So it's another aluminium coin. And it is from Austria. Very, very nice. Nice one to end us on. So, that is going to be the end of today's hunt. Star pull for today, well, for me, it's definitely got to be the Endeavour 50 cent from New Zealand. An absolute stunner. Very, very nice. So, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, sort of please consider giving me a sub tonight. Obviously the link is just down below the video. Also, if you enjoyed the video tonight, don't forget to hit the like button. And yeah, with that said, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Really hope you enjoyed this world coin hunt. Really good to be back to the using the tub. And yeah, with that said, I will see you on another video. Alright, bye.